I was thinking about this summer. I was thinking about what we were doing, what our family is doing, what other families are doing, what I feel like painting, like all of those types of things. And I was thinking about how okay, I also watched the movie Babe recently, all right?
Such a good movie.
And it just had this, like, not only this nostalgia feeling for me because I watched that movie as a child, but just kind of like this really humble way of country living. I was thinking about how in the summers, like our kids, Michael and I's kids, go to California and visit our parents. So they spend like a week or two with their grandparents and they just do activities together. And I just thought, like, I love that warm, fuzzy feeling of summer at the grandparents' house, summer at grandma's where you're picking fruit and canning and she's showing you how to sew and your grandpa's out there working and you're collecting eggs and so it's like it's just like those kind of like more farm humble moments. Okay, that's what I'm going for, somewhere at grandma's.
Okay.
So when you go to your grandparents and they go out to feed their animals, they have to milk a cow.
Yeah.
So what we are painting is
Oh,
spotted cow.
oh, so cute.
And I know that, okay, we did the Highland cow during winter, like a couple years ago, which can you believe it's been a couple of years? Because it has.
No.
And then we did a cow years and years ago, a Jersey cow. And I realized that we've never done like a traditional, like dairy spotted cow. Okay.
Okay.
So, and this project is great because I go over painting white animals and black animals simultaneously because this is a black and white animal, right? So this is Daisy. She's a doll. We love her so much. And this is our first project for June.
Love it.
Love it?
Love it so much.
Okay. After you wake up at dark 30 to go milk Daisy, you're it's like the afternoon and you're running around your grandparents' property and fields, and there are all of these gorgeous trees to climb. And so you find a tree that's just perfect and you're looking up, and the second project we are painting is
Drum roll.
drum roll,
It's so hard to do one-handed drum rolls. All right.
climbing
Yes.
trees.
Love it.
I love this project so much. And I was really intentional with this project because I wanted it not only to be from the perspective of wonder. Like I remember being a child and looking up through the branches of a tree and trying to figure out which ones I'm going to grab to climb, and just that perspective that it just seems endless, and that when you're on that top of that tree you're like on top of the world. And I wanted to capture that feeling in this painting while simultaneously approaching this painting with that same feeling. We are loose and playful. We are not focusing so much on realism, but instead playing with textures and colors and lifting and layering and dry brush and wet on wet and all of the fun stuff, because I want you to approach this with that same childlike excitement of watercolor that you did when you were younger and climbing trees around your house. Okay.
Love it.
Now, the last project we are going to do, third project, is your grandparents. They have the cows, you climbed the trees, and your grandpa lets you ride his, drum roll please, tractor.
Oh, that looks so Missouri to me. I love that.
I know. This is one that I've really been wanting to paint for years, and I've like had to build up to it where it's just like this completely captures summer in Missouri and that kind of like that hot day of working so hard. And I don't know, I just thought it would be a really fun thing to paint. Also, like tractors, Coming from California, I didn't realize that like how important tractors are.
Oh yeah.
But like here in Hamilton, we do tractor parades in our community. Like they're so important to farm life and necessary
Mhm.
that like they're kind of a really big deal. And so I love that we get to do a tractor together and paint it. So summer, summer at the grandparents' house is the theme. Summer on the farm.
Love it. We're still workshopping the name. Some farm summer.
Listen, it's
Summer.
live. You guys know what I'm trying to go for. And then, of course, we have to have a couple bonuses.
Okay.
So I painted these in the in my journal earlier, like a month or so ago, and I love how they turned out. I love them so much, but they really screamed summer to me. So I knew that I wasn't going to put them in the spring journaling course because I'm just like, no, these are full on summer paintings.
Yeah.
And then when I realized that I wanted to do like summer on the farm as the theme for June, I went, oh my gosh, what?
Emily says hot farm summer. Emily,
Sign me up
yes.
for that hot farm summer. I will be there. The bonus projects, and you're gonna have two of them, are these here: hanging laundry
Gosh.
and fresh garden tomatoes on gingham napkin. Okay.
Love it.
So here are the projects line up for June. All of these will be available as a bundle starting June 1st. These projects here are going to be process videos, but I will include outlines for you guys and reference photos. I will say that there's a range of skill here. Like this tree one, beginner friendly. Like immediately you can paint this. If it's like your second time painting ever, you can do this project.
Mhm.
I would say the cow you can absolutely do as two. That one is more beginner friendly. It just has a couple more layers than this one, but that's fine. This one's more intermediate, which if you guys have done like our like the pickup truck that we have for free on YouTube, any of our vehicles essentially, if you've done that, it's the same thing except with like more background. So you can do it. It's just more attention to detail, but I know that you guys can do this. And then these are just fun. These are just tiny and small. I love how dimensional this one feels, and that all has to do with value. So